English Grammar Classroom。今天我们要来讲一个很常用到，但是大家觉得好像很难又好像很简单的 What is it? No， 还有 none， 还有 nothing, nobody, no one, nowhere， 还有 any, anything, anybody。所以这些 no 或者 nothing 或者 any 这些到底要怎么用呢？我们来看一下 no， 它其实后面加名词，像 no money。No taxis, no buses, no stores， 加个名词，所以句子怎么讲呢 ？I have no money. Can you lend me some? We had to take a taxi because there were no buses. 所以这些放在句子中间，句子后面，我还可以放在句子前面。No stores are open because it is late. OK， 所以 no 加上名词。那 none 呢 ？none 不一样的地方是 none， 我可以直接就一个 none， 比如说。How many people are there? None. How much money do you have? None. Okay. How many friends do you have? None. 好可怜。所以 no 加名词 none。那我们再看看 nothing, nobody, no one, nowhere 这一组字怎么用呢？我们可以放前面 Nobody came to the party because of COVID-19. No one likes my cooking. I'm sad. 所以这里可以放前面，也可以 The kids had nothing to play with.Because they're poor, or because of COVID-19, they had nowhere to go. 所以这些字 nobody, no one, nothing， 我们可以放前面、放后面都 OK。然后我们也可以把它当做单数 No one likes my cooking。然后再来看看 any, anything, anybody。那 any 的话，我们来看看句子。Do you want anything to drink? Do you have any money? 或者 anybody, the test was very easy. Anybody could do it. Or recently I know the test was not easy. Nobody could do it. Okay, anybody? Nobody. Okay, I hope today no, none, 这些字 if you will like it and you know how to use it. And please press the like button and subscribe. See you!